Good morning, students. Are you fine? Are you fine, students? I hope everyone is fine. Be safe at home, okay? So, in previous class I started history first lesson. Did you remember, ma? What is history? The title name is What is History, okay? So, Tamilini story will be like that. I continued, okay? Remaining portion. Before that, did you study question answer 1 and 2? Have you all studied? Everyone studied, isn't it? I am believing all the students learned this 2 question, I think so. So in next class, remaining 3 questions learn, okay? 3 questions, okay ma? Short answer only it is. Anyway, last minutes, I will remember that, okay? So listen, some major Indian excavated sites. Okay, some major Indian excavated sites. The Tamilini story I will explain ma. Before that, some major Indian excavated sites. That means what? We got some places, some materials, some objects we got. Okay. So with the help of that, we are calculating, we are separating. Okay. So how it will be, no? Paleolithic, Neolithic, Bronze Age, Iron Age. Paleolithic, Neolithic, Bronze Age, Iron Age. Okay. So Paleolithic means old stone age. Okay, ma. So the man used the stone tools. Okay. Neolithic means new stone age. What pa? Neolithic means new stone age. Bronze Age, the man used bronze. Okay. Copper Age, copper. The man used copper. Okay. Okay, students, clear? So in some places, we got some objects. Okay. So Paleolithic means I said old stone age, isn't it? Paleolithic, Bhimbetka, Hunasahi, Attirampakam. So Bhimbetka, Hunasahi, Attirampakam. In these 3 places, we got some tools. Okay, Paleolithic. It belongs to Paleolithic period. Okay, the Neolithic, Bursahan, Megarhar, Mahar, Sirand, Brahmagiri, Payampalli, Dayojala. Okay, so in these places we got some tools. Neolithic. It belongs to Neolithic. Okay, ma. Then Goldiva also. Okay, Goldiva also. Then Bronze Age, Lothal. Bronze Age, Lothal. Okay, ma. Then Iron Age, Hallur, Adichanallur. Hallur, Adichanallur. In these places, we got some objects. Okay, okay, ma. These are the major excavated sites. In this place, the early man lived in this place. That persons used some materials, okay, some objects, okay, so we got that. Okay, with the help of that we calculated. So this just belongs to in this age. Okay, so which are the age more? Paleolithic age, Neolithic age, Bronze Age, Iron Age. Okay, Iron Age. Okay, this places and all we got some objects. In your book it is given clearly. Okay, then come to the story. So Tamilini story, isn't it? Tamilini story. Then finally the mother explained the old stone age. Then the continuation, Tamilini. What are the other sources that help us understand the lifestyle of stone age people? Okay, so we are getting some information. So what about the other sources? Sources means what? Evidence. Okay, okay, ma'am. Then mother, we came to know their hunting style through their paintings on the rocks and the walls of the caves. Okay, so one more source. What source? Hunting style. Hunting style means what? The man kill the animals, isn't it? Isn't it? For what purpose? Eating purpose, isn't it? Some purpose, some animals, what they will do? They will kill the person, isn't it? So at that time what they will do? To kill that animal. If we can kill that animal only, that persons are safe, isn't it? Otherwise what it will happen? The animal will kill us, isn't it? So hunting style we got some in the rock side, in the rock and the walls of the caves. Okay, cave side and the rock side, they draw some picture. Okay, to kill the animals like picture. Okay, we got this evidences also. So we come to know in olden days the people hunt the animals. We come to know. Okay, students. So like that it is. Then Tamilini, rock paintings. It sounds really surprising. Why did they draw these paintings? Okay, so rock paintings really it is surprised only. It is, isn't it? So in the rock side, if they scribbled means what? The crude stones will be there, isn't it? So with the help of the crude stones, they scribbled. Okay, so it is safe. It is the evidence. So it won't. If the rain comes means what? It won't clear, isn't it? So that one also at the it is one of the source. Later also we come to know, we will get some information about the rock paintings. Okay, could you understand, ma'am? So rock paintings means what? In the rock side, they painted. Okay, they painted some picture. That's all. Clear? Clear? So really just what? Very good source, isn't it? Then numismatics, the study of coins. Numismatics means what, ma'am? The study of coins. Okay, the study of coins. Coins means, you know, in the olden days, the man used a different type of coins, isn't it, pa? Some it is not shaped, some it is not shaped, some it is shaped, isn't it? So in that coin side and all, the picture has pasted, isn't it? Not pasted, printed, isn't it, pa? So different type of coins will be there. Okay, so the study of coins, what? Numismatics. Okay, ma? Then epigraphy, the study of inscriptions. Okay, the study of inscriptions. They will study the inscriptions. Okay, so many researchers, what they will do? They will do the research, they will learn that. Okay, the study of inscriptions. Could you understand? Numismatics means what? The study of coins. Okay, numismatics means what? The study of coins. Epigraphy, the study of inscription. The study of inscription. Clear? Okay. Then mother. Some would have stayed back without joining the hunting team. So for their benefits, this picture could have been drawn. They might have done it as a part of their pastime. Okay. So we are guessing, students. What? Some students hunting the animal, grouply they will go, isn't it? So one person will go and hunt the animal means what it will happen? It is not success, isn't it? So the grouply they will go. Okay, so the team will be there. Okay, group of members will go and hunt the animals. Okay, some persons, remaining persons, what they will do? They will stay in home. So that person's what? For passing the time purpose, what they did? In the rock side, they scribbled something. Okay, ma? So we are guessing that. So Tamilini, certainly, Amma, that how we identify the lifestyle, isn't it, Amma? So we are getting some information how we will identify this and all. Then mother, well said, Tamilini. The period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing system is prehistory. Okay, so what is prehistory? The period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing materials, writing system is prehistory. Stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistory. Okay, what are the sources of prehistory? Stone tools. Stone tools means what? The stone, they make such a type of what? Tools. Okay, they made that it is. Then excavated materials, we get some objects. Okay, they found it. Then rock paintings, also one of the major sources of prehistory. Okay, major sources of prehistory. Okay, ma'am, could you understand? Then sources of history. Okay, sources of history, it is divided into two. Okay, source, what it is? Archaeological sources. Another one is literary sources. Okay, archaeological sources. Another one is literary sources. Okay, archaeological sources means what and all, you know? Artifacts, inscriptions, coins, monuments. Okay, so some objects we got. Okay, archaeological sources, what and all, ma? Coins, inscriptions, artifacts, monuments. Okay, so coins means different people, the king only ruled, isn't it? So what they will do, the king used different type of coins, okay. We got also, so during Shah Jahan period they used different type of coins and all, okay, gold coin they used, silver coins, so etc etc. Okay, so we got some evidences. So archaeological sources, it is divided, sources of history is divided into two: archaeological sources, literary sources. Archaeological sources, literary sources. So archaeological sources, coins, inscriptions, monuments, artifacts it is. Okay, so monuments, what are? Temple wall, inscriptions, metal pillar, copper plates, okay, copper plates. This it is inscriptions. So monuments, palaces, forts, temples, stupa, then monasteries, okay. So that means what? Such a type of building will be there, that temples and all, isn't it? In the temple and all, you know the architectures work, isn't it? So olden days they build this type of temples, isn't it, pa? So in these places and all, what? We are getting information, okay. They have written, okay, with the language, with the Tamil language they used, okay. So whether you can able to read, it is impossible, okay ma, it is impossible to read the information, but archaeologists what they will do, they know to read, okay, okay ma. So like that it is. Then artifacts, toys, potteries, tools, ornaments, okay. So some objects we got, okay, in different places. With the help of this we will get some information about history, okay ma. Then next is literary sources. Another one is what ma? Literary sources. Literary sources is divided into secular literature and religious literature, okay. Secular literature and religious literature, okay ma. So secular literature, epics and poems accounted by foreign travelers, works by Indian author, then folk songs and ballads, okay. So this are the literary sources. Literary sources means what? Written sources, okay, written sources. So nowadays we are using papers, isn't it? So olden days it is not like that. What, where they will write? Palm leaves, isn't it ma? Palm leaves, okay. So with the help of this palm leaves, now also it is safe. In the museum if we can go, they will show this type of evidence. Have you seen, children? Did you went to any other museum? Yes, many students went. Third standard, while they are studying in third standard or second standard or fourth standard, what we did, we went to picnic, isn't it? So, so we will get some information. Now it is impossible, isn't it, pa? So we all are in home, isn't it? Okay, no problem. Later changes will come. So later, what we will meet all the students, and one day we will go to picnic. Okay, not now. 2 or 3 years after, I think so. I am guessing. Okay, ma? Okay? Anyway, leave it. If we can go to the museum, old objects and then we can see. Isn't it? Isn't it, pa? So in these objects, so they will keep some swords, isn't it? Palm leaves, then what? Different type of sword and all, isn't it, pa? Isn't it? Then some stone pillar also. Have you seen? Okay, in Padmanabhapuram Palace, many students went, I think. So if we can go there, one museum is there, isn't it, students? So we can see these objects in there. Okay, okay, ma. So now don't go. Be safe at home. Okay. So in these places and all, they are preserving the old objects. Okay. Be safe at the same time. It is safety also. Okay, so in these places and all, this is what? Literary sources, okay? Written records, written evidences will be there. Then religious literature, epic, then epic devotional literature, okay? So religious literature is divided into two, epic and devotional literature. Epics means what? You know, Ramayana and Mahabharata, isn't it, ba? Then devotional literature, what? Devotional literature, Nalayara Divya Prabandham, Nalayara Divya Prabandham, Devaram, Uh, then one more ma. Tiruvasakam. Okay, so like that it is. So this and all what? Religious literature. It is based on the religious, this literature will be. Okay ma. So these are the sources of history. These are the sources of history. Could you understand? Sources of history is divided into archaeological sources, literary sources. Okay ma. Archaeological sources, literary sources. Archaeological sources, coins, inscriptions, monuments, artifacts. Okay, coins, monuments, inscriptions, artifacts. Then secular literature, literary sources is divided into two. What ma? Secular literature, religious literature. Okay, secular literature, religious literature. Could you understand? Could you understand? Okay, so remaining one part is that I will teach you in the next class. Okay, so everyone got your notes, isn't it? I sent the note, isn't it ma? History first lesson. Question answer 1 and 8, 1 to 8 it is, isn't it? So 2 questions everyone learned thoroughly, I think. Isn't it? Those who did not study this 2 questions, okay? So today's study portion, 3 questions, remaining 3 questions, okay? Will you study? Will you study? You should study, okay? So third question I am going to read, okay? Okay ma? Third question. What are the sources available to know about prehistoric period? What are the sources available to know about prehistoric period? What are the sources? Stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the sources to know about prehistoric period. What are the sources available to know about prehistoric period ma? Stone tools, excavated materials, rock paintings are the sources to know about prehistoric period. It includes potteries, toys, coins and ornaments. Okay, so it includes what and all? Potteries, toys, coins and ornaments. Will you study? Will you study this? Okay. Then next question, fourth question. Mention the places from where we got prehistoric tools. Okay, mention the places from where we got prehistoric tools. Adichanallur, Attirampakkam, Brahmagiri, Hallur, Lothal, Bhimbetka. Okay, Bhimbetka. Adichanallur, Attirampakkam, Brahmagiri, Hallur, Lothal, Bhimbetka. Okay, these places and all we got prehistoric tools. Which places? Adichanallur, Attirampakkam, Brahmagiri, Hallur, Lothal, Bhimbetka. Okay? Okay, ma'am. Then fifth question. What are the benefits of a museum? What are the benefits of a museum? The objects used by the early men are kept and preserved in the museum. This object help us to know the lifestyle of the people. Okay? So, what are the benefits of a museum? What are the benefits of a museum? The objects used by the early men are kept and preserved in the museum. These objects help us to know the lifestyle of the people. Will you study these 3 questions? Will you study? Will you study, students? Should study. Study the spelling also, okay? So, remaining 3 questions. In next class, we will study. Okay, ma'am? Will you study? So, okay, what is history? History is the study of past events in chronological order. Everyone knows, isn't it, pa? What do you know about the prehistoric period? First point. The period between the use of first stone tools and the invention of writing system is called prehistoric period. Second point. Stone tools, excavated materials, fossils and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistoric period. Okay. What are the sources available to know about prehistoric period? Stone tools, excavated materials and rock paintings are the sources to know about prehistoric period. Okay. Then second point, it includes potteries, toys, coins and ornaments. Mention the places from where we got prehistoric tools. Adichanallur, Attirampakkam, Brahmagiri, Hallur, Lothal, Bhimbetka. Okay, in this places and all we got the sources. What are the benefits of a museum? The objects used by the early man are kept and preserved in the museum. These objects help us to know the lifestyle of the people. Okay, the objects used by the early man are kept and preserved in the museum. This object help us to know the lifestyle of the people. Could you understand, ma? Could you understand? Will you study these 3 questions? Everyone should study, okay? Okay? Will you study everyday portion? If you learn, it is easy, okay? Have you all copied this question in your booklet? Have you all copied? Everyone should copy this, isn't it? Did you write the date? Did you write the date? Then page number also everyone know to put, isn't it, ma? So you should write it, okay? Fill the boxes and all, okay? First you write your name and class and sections, everything. Then after that, what? Start to write the history first lesson. Okay, ma? Without mistake, neat handwriting. Okay, now you are in 6th standard, right? You are in 6th standard, so you try, okay? Try to write your neat handwriting. Okay, will you follow this, ma? Will you follow this? Study this question answer. Okay, ma? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, will you study this? Get a good mark. Okay, ma? I will continue into next class. Next class, I will finish this lesson. Then book exercises and all I will give later. Okay, so now we can study the question answer. Okay, will you study? So today, up to today, you will learn 5 questions, isn't it, ma? Okay, so you should study this 5 questions thoroughly. Okay, without mistake. Spelling also important. Okay, spelling is very important, children. Study, learn. While studying the answer itself, what you should study the spelling. Adichanallur. 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 Spelling. Okay, then Attirampakkam. ATHIRAMPAKKAM. Attirampakkam. Okay, then Brahmagiri. 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 Hallur. 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 Lothal. 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 Bhimbetka. BIMBETKA. Okay, so learn the spelling also. Chronological order, everyone know? CHRONOLOGICAL. Chronological order. ORDER. Learn the spelling also, okay, ma? Study the answer at the same time. Spelling also should learn, okay? Don't waste the time, okay? So this much days we play and enjoy the holidays, isn't it? So now it's time to learn the portion, okay? Will you follow this? Study question answer 1 to 5 thoroughly, okay, ma? So okay, remaining portion I will continue into next class. Thank you, students.